talking to you. Run! Run! Time to work, you lazy schlub. Hold on. Here he is.
Hey, you're picking up that trash truck, right? Get over to the recycling center on Alta Street in Chamberlain Hills.
Being a trash collector's a good job, you know. Starts nice and early when you're probably still up and wired enough to work. Tell him, Ron.
Oh, yeah! So, the trash trucks get used by the Vagos for their collection runs. The security guards are their people, so I'll need him.
Yeah, take him out before you take the truck, all right? There's gonna be quite a few of them, you know, so get ready for a fight.
Forum Drive. They're stashing Molly pills in trash bags. Pick them up like you're on a normal trash collection run. Collect the bags and throw them in the compactor and move on to the next one. All right, now second collection's on Capitol Boulevard. Have you? I'm getting kind of nervous. Oh, crap! They're on to you already. I don't know what's wrong, but you gotta deal with these guys here. Left. Next one is at a gas station on Supply Street. This isn't going well, is it? there was an isolated incident. Now pick up these bags and let's move on. More of them! They were watching that stash too! Drop these guys already!
What the hell?
Shit!
You motherfucker! Hey, man, down. You need some help. Where you gonna go? This shit ain't real.
Are you alright? The final pickup's in an alley off Vespucci Boulevard. I don't have a good feeling about this. Get the last of the trash and come to the warehouse under the LS freeway. They're all over you, aren't they? Get rid of those assholes or just lose them before they come back to me.
You told them they can shoot when they're hanging off the back of the truck, Ron? If I was sticking up a drug gang, that might be the kind of thing I'd like to know, you know?
sure they're not following you? See, the Vagos can go places a U.S. extradition treaty can't. I mean, nice, hot places with beaches that'll otherwise attract a snowbird like me. Okay. Okay. Good. We got the Molly. Now keep on moving. Come on. Away from here. Go for it.